but a number of blustery showers feeding on that very gusty wind. There is a storm brewing.
Any report, Darren?
Thanks very much, Anna. We may need some comfort food over the next 24 hours or so because we have the calm before the storm. We're going to find some wet and some very windy weather on the way. Now, the strongest winds, the damaging winds, are going to develop through tonight and into Friday across parts of Wales, northwest England, Northern Ireland and southwest Scotland. Here we're likely to find those winds gusting to 70 to 80 miles an hour, maybe even a bit higher through the Irish Sea. Trouble is brewing then down towards the southwest of us. It's all due to that deepening area of low pressure that's heading our way, and already the wind's beginning to pick up in the southwest approaches, and you can see from the satellite picture a lot of cloud that's spilling our way as well. Not just cloud, but some rain too that's knocking on the door of the southwest, and through the rest of the day we'll see a bit more rain coming into these western fringes of England and Wales together with Northern Ireland. Further east I think it'll stay dry, but the sunshine fast fading as all this cloud just spills across. At least here the wind should be fairly light, but beginning to pick up in the southwest in particular, and with the cloud coming in the wind's beginning to strengthen. It's not going to feel that pleasant. Temperatures 10 to 13 degrees. And then it gets a bit interesting this evening and overnight. Two elements to the weather. The first, the rain. Due to this weather frontier, we're going to see rain spilling across the whole of the country. I think the heaviest rain is likely to be across Northern Ireland and across southwest Scotland. But as you can see, very little rain across the southeast. That weather front is wrapped around our deep area of low pressure then. There it is, and around that we find those strengthening winds. They're really going to squeeze their way through the Irish Sea, battering many coasts come the end of the night. And it's here we have a very high risk of damage and disruption, not just on the roads, but also on the ferries too. If you're thinking of travelling across the Irish Sea or the North Channel, check CFAX page 435. Into Friday, still some very windy weather across northern Britain, some rain as well, thoroughly miserable. Strongest winds through Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern England. To the south, still pretty windy, not as windy, but windy enough. We've got a mixture here of sunshine and some gusty showers. Thankfully, things turn quieter during this weekend. Still a few showers left in the northwest and developing across the south, but these tend to fade away on Saturday. Sunday, the quietest, driest day of the next few.